My name is Constant Tedder. I'm CEO and founder of FlyFarm. The problems that we're addressing are organic waste and the emissions that it generates, and the lack of a scalable and sustainable solution to do that processing. So today, 8% of greenhouse gas emissions comes from food waste and food waste decomposition. Most goes to landfill, unfortunately, where it generates methane and CO2. Some goes to composting, which is seen as a good solution, but isn't really. It still generates CO2. Some goes to a small amount goes to AD, anaerobic digestion, but that isn't suitable for all types of waste. And in fact, there's another solution which we think is better in some cases and has a lower capex and better outcomes. And that is insect bioconversion by black soldier fly larvae, harnessing the power of these incredible insects who digest the waste to create sustainable protein, oil, and frass fertilizer. Now, you have to do this at scale with technology and robotics, and that would lead to a sustainable and scalable solution. But the problems that BSFL startups face when they try to scale, many get started with a combination of mechanization and human labor, but it's not really a scalable operating model. And the second problem they face is a capex challenge. They have really two choices. They can look at European solutions, which are very high cost, with very little systems integration, or Chinese, which is low cost, but can be poor quality and has absolutely no software capabilities and no software integration. That leads to a lot of pain. And there's a lack of integrated and affordable solutions for black soldier fly companies. FlyFarm has developed circular organic waste solutions, which is a full stack integrated hardware and software solution. We combine our own robotics with off-the-shelf automation, add control systems to every piece of hardware, which operates on our FlyFarm OS, a layer of sensors to create a fully integrated system for farming black soldier fly at scale that is both affordable and highly operable. And this leads to compelling unit economics for the operator. FlyFarm's business model is to sell and support systems outside of our key markets. We receive weekly inbound traffic, which is passive with no marketing. So there's clearly a demand there. We build and operate FlyFarm systems within key markets, and those two combined leads to a scalable and attractive business for our company, combining tech sales and facility revenues. So who are we? I'm a serial entrepreneur with experience in building and selling businesses. I have a passion for impact. My previous companies was Jagex, which I co-founded and sold to Carlyle, Dawn Energy, a wind farm operator, which we sold to Constantine Energy, The Hive, which I founded in Hong Kong, which I built for 9 years, and we merged to form the Flexi Group. And now with FlyFarm, I have a fantastic opportunity to grow a business, which is incredibly exciting with an opportunity to scale, but also can make a significant impact in terms of emissions. We have a super passionate team, which combines engineers, hardware, software engineers in Hong Kong. And in Brisbane, where we operate our pilot plant, we have operations, biological research, and sales. So we're currently operating a facility in Brisbane, Australia. It's likely to be where our first commercial facility will be. So what's the ask? Previously, FlyFarm has raised $5 million in 2 rounds. We're going to be starting a Series A over this winter, and we're interested to speak to impact investors in advance of that Series A to start conversations. We're seeking really well-aligned long-term investors for our next stage. If you're interested, please contact me. My name is Constant Tedder. Thank you very much.